Here is Kieran. You want some peach? You see that? You see him biting it? Look at this. Actually, this is a nectarine. What do you think? Here. Hold on. I'm going to share. Here you go. Yummy.